Now dear student, let us proceed some problems here, right? ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ನರ್ವಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ 20th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್? ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 20th ಟರ್ಮ್. 20th term. What do you mean by first term is nothing but A1, second term is nothing but A2, 10th term is nothing but A10. अगर 20th term is nothing but A20 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. But what they are given? AN. अगर AN ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಥವಾ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಬರ್ಕೋಣ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ given ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? AN is equal to n minus 1 into 2 minus n into 3 plus n. That's my point. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ 20th term ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, what do you mean by 20th term? A20. अगर in place of n put n is equal to 20. So put n is equal to 20. What happens here ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A20 ಆಯ್ತು, n ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 20 ಕೊಟ್ಕೋ ಬನ್ನಿ. A20 is equal to 20 minus 1 into 2 minus 20 into 3 plus 20. Simplify mana. 20 minus 1 is 19 into 2 minus 20 is minus 18 into 3 plus 20 is 23. By multiplying this, come on, multiply this, you will get minus 7866. Minus 7866. This is a 20th term. Suppose ಏನಾದರೂ find the 5th term ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ? Put n is equal to 5 ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ. Got my point? This is the 20th. This is very very important problem. So now let us move with some beautiful problems here. Look at the next segment of the question. ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Write the first three terms of each of the followings. First three terms. So ಏನು ಸರ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ? A1, A2, A3, A4 so on AN ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವು? A1, A2, A3 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. ಮೊದಲಿಂದ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಗಿವನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಗಿವನ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಗಿವನ್ AN nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಜನರಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2n ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5. ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ A1, A2, A3 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ A1 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. ಪುಟ್ n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 1, what happens here? A1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 5. What is 2 into 1? 2. 2 plus 5. That is equal to 7. Got my point? Next, second term ಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? second term ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ put n is equal to 2 ಕೊಡೋಣ, right? Now put n is equal to 2 here. So just have a look on this. Put n is equal to 2. n is equal to 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟ A2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A2, that A2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 5. Okay, 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5. What happens here? 9. So now put n is equal to 3. Dear student, n is equal to 3. n ಗೆ 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ what happens here? A3 is equal to, what is that? 2 into 3 plus 5. What is 2 3s are 6 plus 5, that is equal to 11. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು the three terms are, therefore the three terms are what are the three terms ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The first first term is 7 comma, it is a sequence 7. What is the second term? 9. What is the third term? 11. Just have a look on here. First term, second term and the third term. This is the way. Okay, now look at this. We'll discuss some other problems here. Other problems discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. Okay. What is that, sir? an is equal to an, second problem. Have a look on this, the same thing. An is equal to n minus 3 divided by 4. We wish to find out the first three terms of this sequence. So ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಾದ್ರೆ take down the problems given. What is the given thing here? an is equal to n minus 3 divided by 4. That's my point. So ನನಗೆ first three terms ಅಂದ್ರೆ as usual a1, a2, a3. Now put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. What happens here? a1 is equal to 1 minus 3 divided by 4. What is 1 minus 3? Minus 2 divided by 4. So 2 2s are hoಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 2 1s are 2 2s are. What happens here? 1 by 2. This is the first term. Second term ಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? Put n is equal to 2. When n is equal to 2, what happens here? a2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ n is equal to 2 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. So 2 minus 3 divided by 4. What is 2 minus 3? Minus 1 divided by 4. This is second term. So next third term bekalva. Put n is equal to 3. When n is equal to 3, what happens here? a3 anta karkoona. a3, n is equal to 3, a3. So 3 minus 3 divided by 4. That is equal to 0 by 4. That is equal to 0. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ therefore the three terms are what are the three terms here? First term is minus 1 by 2, second term is minus 1 by 4, and the third term is what? 0. Now ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, let us discuss few more problems related to the same thing. So an is equal to n into n plus 2. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. an is equal to n into n plus 2. Now have to write the given thing. Given ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. So given an is equal to n into n plus 2. That's my point. So first three term andre a1, a2, a3. Therefore put n is equal to 1 I can give. Put n is equal to 1. What happens here? a1 that is equal to what happens here? 1 into 1 plus 2. What happens here? 3 that is equal to 4. Next put n is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 2. n ಗೆ 2 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ a2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. a2 is equal to n ಗೆ 2 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. 2 into ಇರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ n ಗೆ 2 into 2 plus 2. What happens here? 4. 2 into 4 is 8. So next is put n is equal to 3. Put n is equal to 3. What happens here? a3 is equal to 3 into ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. 3 into 3 plus 2 is 5. That is equal to 15. Therefore the three terms are ಯಾವ್ಯಾವಪ್ಪ three terms? The first term is 4, second term is 8, and the third term is 15. This is the way. Just have a look on this.